Dear mom and dad, hello, it's me Jenny. Thank you very much for feeding me, raising me, helping me, and always loving me. You are my everything, and I will always love you. Love, Jenny.